Haiti, tormented by Hurricane Matthew. Hurricane Matthew was named on September 28, 2016. Early morning, October 1st, Matthew reached a Category 5 over the eastern Caribbean, with winds reaching 160 miles per hour. The hurricane made landfall in Haiti, Cuba, the Bahamas, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina, when making landfall on October 8th in McClellanville, South Carolina as a Category 1 hurricane, just before making way back into the Atlantic Ocean on October 9, 2016. Hurricane Matthew made landfall in Haiti on October 4th, 2016 as a Category 4 hurricane, bolstering winds of up to 145 miles per hour. Within hours, at least 400 homes were destroyed and a state of emergency was declared. The video is showing the effects of Hurricane Matthew in the country of Haiti. Haiti's population is approximately 10.3 million people. Of those 10.3 million, Hurricane Matthew killed over 1,000 and left well over 1 million people homeless. The strong winds and heavy floods destroyed crops and swept away the majority of the livestock, which was the main source of food and income. Haiti still has not recovered from the 2010 earthquake. Due to the lack of clean drinking water, at least 200 Haitians had developed the disease cholera. The collapsing and washing away of major bridges and roads made it almost impossible to transport goods such as clean drinking water and food, or render help to those with broken bones, starvation, or the disease. Weeks after the storm passed through Haiti, food, clothing, and supplies were delivered by helicopters, cargo drops, and ferries by the United States military, the United Nations World Food Program, and the Red Cross, even though the president of Haiti did not want the help from the Red Cross. The World Health Organization was even able to send 1 million cholera vaccinations to the citizens of Haiti.